oil change to my 2016 Honda Civic. To do the oil change to my car, this is the tools we're gonna need on this process. So first, we're gonna need a drain pan to catch the oil, and oil, of course. Now I'm using Mobile One Advanced Fuel Economy 0W20 because this is my car required oil. And then we have the oil filter. I also have Mobile One, and then washer for the plugs. Every time you change your oil drain, you need to change the drain plugs, drain washer also. There you go. And then we have the adjustable or universal oil filter removal or oil filter wrench, and also you need a wrench and screwdrivers, and also something cover to your back so it won't get dirty when you go under. Alright, first thing, you need to jack up the car, or if you have like this ramp, you can use it as well. Just make sure that you have access under for your drain plug and filter. Alright, so look at your filter and the drain plug for the oil. It should be under this steel plate right there. So first thing, you need to take out this steel plate. So you need to unbolt like I think it was 10, something like that, but I only have like 4 right now right here. So you need the flathead screwdriver right here. Alright, now I already removed the screwdriver. I mean the screws right here, the screwdriver. Sorry about that. Now we need to remove this steel plate. To remove, just push this one right here, and then it's gonna come right off. And you can just put this one away and put under there. Okay. And then you can look at your filter right here and your drain plug right here. There you go. The engine's still hot because I just came from work, and then I used this car today. So it's still hot, so we're gonna wait like maybe 30 minutes to 1 hour until the engine will cool off. Alright, let's now drain the oil. In my case, I'm using a 17mm right here. So it's tight. So one second. Yeah, it's very tight. Oh man. These things. Okay. Alright. Let's pause for a second, and then let me just try this one with 2 hands because I can't get out with 1 hand. Alright. After 100 years later, it's like this hard. I thought I didn't tighten up so bad last time I changed the oil. I think I did, but now it's out. It's loose already. But let me just do a little trick here so I don't get my hands really dirty. Just gonna shoot this one. 1. There you go. Start already. 3. Woo. Still warm. It's alright. Alright, I'm just gonna drain this one real quick. Look at that. Start now. And it's only like 3,000 miles. So I usually do my car like every 5,000 miles. But now I'm gonna do every 3,000 miles. It's really dark already. That's alright. There you go. And let's wait that one to drip all the oil. Then we're gonna go next with the filter. Okay. Now while the oil is still dripping a little bit, we can release the oil filter now. There you go. Oh shit! Oh no! There you go. I think my oil is not really tight. I don't know why I'm using this, but in case, guys. I'm gonna drop that. There you go. Oops. And there's your oil filter right there. And then make sure, guys, when you take out your oil filter, make sure there's no gasket around here. Sometimes the old gasket gonna live there, so make sure there's no gasket, so when you put the new one, the gasket won't double up, so it's not gonna leak. Yeah, so just clean it up. Alright, there you go. Just clean up a little bit with some paper towel or microfiber, or whatever cleaning paper you have, cleaning towel you have. There you go. I think it's good enough. I'll get the new one. Alright, let's put the new oil. New oil filter. So what I like to do is put some a little bit oil inside the oil filter. Just a little bit. There you go. Then get the oil and then put oil around the gasket. There you go. I think that's good enough. Okay. Let's lap this bad boy onto the car. Make sure when you put your new oil filter, just do hand tight. So next time you do your oil change, filter's not gonna stuck on the car. Just do a little bit more. That should be good. Maybe a little bit more. Let me just and just double check it's not. And then when your oil is done dripping, there's more a little bit, but it's okay. Let's now put the current plug with the new washer on. There you go. And then let's just tight this one up, and then we're gonna fill a new oil already. New oil now. Now we're gonna put the oil. My car take 3.7 quart. We're gonna fill up some oil. Alright, so we just finished pouring the oil to the car. Now start the car and then check if there's any leaks under. Just make sure, double check everything if there's no leak. Usually here at the oil filter, make sure it's dry. Run it for around maybe 2 to 5 minutes, and then make sure everything is okay.
Alright guys, so I just double check everything under, no leaks or anything. So now let's reset the oil percentage. To do that, let's go to setting, vehicle, and then maintenance info. As you can see, 60%. Now let's reset. To do that, and then we just did oil filter and filter, and then just press reset, and then you all set. Better 100%, and then that's it. Go back, or just go home, and that's all about it. Thanks for watching guys. See you next time.